One of the benefits of improving your time management is that you have more time to do things you enjoy. And one of the things that I enjoy is an 1862 margarita. So that is today's lesson. You are going to take 2 ounces of tequila blanco and then a ½ ounce of elderflower liqueur, 3/4 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, yes, fresh squeezed, and a little dash of simple syrup. We like to use some agave honey, not too much. I'm going to shake it over ice and then pour into an unrimmed or rimmed glass. We have tahini on there, but you can put just about anything that you want, and pour and enjoy. Salud.